God, look at this. It's October. Not even, well, yeah, it's the middle of the month. And I'm wearing a toque. And it's only going to get colder, so who knows what's going to happen. But, you know, I've made Skip the Dishes videos. I've made UberEats videos. I've made DoorDash videos on this channel. I kind of got away with that, or got away from that, because I had some issues with the insurance. So my insurance company sent me a letter saying, hey, we saw your videos. No, who knows they saw the videos. Basically, they just sent me a letter out of the blue saying, stop doing these delivery driving, like Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, etc., or we're going to cancel your insurance, which is why I stopped it. So fast forward now, about a year later, obviously, and I stopped making the videos. I stopped doing the driving, is what I should say. I don't use that app, the apps anymore. But now everyone during the quarantine is using these apps to order food, and I don't think people realize that there's a cost associated to the restaurant with using these apps. And it's anywhere from 25 to 30%. Now, also, the restaurants, people don't realize that when they run a business like this, they have established costs. Obviously, there's fixed costs like rent and electricity and water and everything else. Then there's food cost, staff cost, and then there's their profit, which is about 25 to 30%. That's how they mark it up. So when you get your hamburger and fries, for example, the food and all the hard expenses on top of there might be $6.99. They're charging you $9.99 because that's their 30%. Well, guess what? Uber Eats and Skip the Dishes and DoorDash are now charging them $3 to deliver that, which brings their profit down to like 99 cents. So that's very pricey, and restaurants are already going through a hard time right now, and this is certainly not going to help any of them. So I'm saying is, if you're going to order food, just go to the restaurant and pick it up. Or B, what I've noticed now is that some communities, I've noticed this in Wasaga Beach, they have something called wasagaeats.ca, and all the restaurants seem to have combined themselves, built this website / app, and they've hired a driver or drivers, and the whole payment process is going through the website app as well too, which means that now they are controlling their own destiny and not paying 25 to 30% to these third-party companies to deliver their food, which I think is a fantastic idea. Because now that means that they are going to pocket that money. They're taking a certain percentage, obviously, of each sale and putting that back into this business that they've created amongst themselves. And they formed a bit of a union, you could almost say, when it comes to food delivery. Great idea. I think whoever thought of that is brilliant. Now, I also noticed that when I've gone to Brampton Eats, which is the city I live in, that someone owns a domain, and it looks like they might be starting the same thing. So if you're an entrepreneur and you're thinking of starting something, that's what I would start. I would get in there quick, make the website, get all the restaurants to join, let them handle everything, and your job would be just setting them up. Payment processing, website development, find the drivers or something. Just handle that. They could be like a one-person managerial team for each town or community. Just throwing it out there. That's all I had to say, really. You know, thanks for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. Now, I know I've gone a bit off the rail lately by not focusing on, well, food apps and such, but I might kind of swing it back towards restaurants and food and restaurant equipment, because I really enjoy that. That for me is like a, not really a hobby, but it's something that I really find interesting. I've just always found the whole business interesting. That's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend. It is a Friday here, middle of October, and I've been talking for 5 minutes, which is way too long. Talk to you soon.